top inside Edo today, new Government Science and Technical College go Tanda as better production center. Na Governor Godwin Obaseki na talk this one. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk am say him administration dey do better work and dem don waka far for the revamp wey dey shele for Government Science and Technical College as dem don complete 2 new classrooms with workshop wey go contain 800 students. Obaseki talk this one when he go check work wey dey shele for the college, as he say the college go turn better production center wey go help business go well. He talk say the production hub so go be better place where design and machine production go for the shele as e go help students wey wan learn the work. He still talk say dem go waka go the old blocks and dem go begin dey change the face as dem dey build electrical, mechanical and carpentry workshop even with plumbing put for there. Obaseki talk say state government dey talk with obodo pipo unto better program wey go make experts dem come train teachers for the subjects. He say dem need plenty teachers wey go come teach technical subjects as dem need to train the teachers and dem dey look for how the training go take shele. We can see governor explain say state government dey work on top teachers training program wey go fit allow Edo get 1 college of education wey go get 3 campus to take teach well, as the campus wey dey Abudu go dey train teachers for early basic education and special needs. Campus wey dey Igweben go train teachers on top secondary school and technical subjects, and the campus wey dey Afuze go train teachers on top physical, sport education and specialized programs. Team lead for Government Science Technical College for Benin Rehabilitation Program, Girls Omezi, talk say dem dey happy say the 2019-2020 school session for students don begin for Monday, September 16, 2019, and say National Board for Technical Education dey happy with this project too. Na here we see this ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, as Governor Godwin Obaseki don talk am say Government Science and Technical College go Tanda as better production center for Edo State. Make una know say this ogbonge update wey dey waka come meet una so na T Live Media na im carry am come give una. So dey get more of this ogbonge tori, make una like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Follow and like us for Facebook and Twitter for T Live Media. And una fit still log on to our website for www.tlivemedia.com.